In financial modeling concepts, we go through regression analysis where we actually have we'll explain functions for trend and forecast. In financial project evaluation functions, we explain NPV, net present value, and internal rate of return, or IRR. And then we actually explain a little bit about an amortization schedule. So this is what we cover under financial modeling concepts. First, we'll take a look at regression analysis. So in this spreadsheet, what we are trying to do is that we actually have sales figures for the past 6 months in 2016. So for January 16, we have sales in millions of rupees. Maybe it is 600 million. February 16, it is 650. March 16, it's 700. April 16 is 720. May 16, it is 780. And in June 16, it is 900. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to forecast what is it in the next month, which is July 16. That is where we are trying to use this function. So this is a forecast function. Now what all parameters that function takes? It takes actually A8, which is nothing but which month we are going to do the prediction. Even though it is in the past, we'll still go forward with the explanation of forecast function. So what is it in July 16? That is what we are trying to project, and that date is given in A8, so we give that date. And next is what are the values which are there for the previous months. That is given between B2 and B7, from B2 till B7. So that is what is the previous month's values. And then we also give what are the known x's, which is A2 to A7, which is from January 16 till June 16. So once you give all this, we can do the forecast. So we do the forecast after doing all of this actually. So let us say we do the forecast. And that happens to be 916 271. So that is the forecast. After doing the forecast, we can also plot it in a graph. That is by going to the recommended charts and choosing a line chart. We can choose a line chart and we can plot it actually. So we can plot a line chart, and once we plot it, we get this line chart. And the projection is for July 16, which will be somewhere above 900. So it is 916.271. So this by plotting, we can also get the values in a chart. So that actually sums up the forecast and trend functions in regression analysis.